The main objective of Portrans is to provide services that are recognized in compliance with the quality standards and indicators to satisfy customers to achieve a strong and lasting partnership for it fulfill its contracts and agreements, to improve the productivity of its customers reaching their needs in transportation, storage, distribution, and other value-add service along the supply chain.
Organization. The company provides storage outsourcing service covering all the needs for transportation, warehousing, distribution, and other value-added services along the supply chain. The main objective of this distribution center is to provide services that are recognized meeting the quality standard and indicator that can satisfy customers to achieve a strong and enduring alliance. The business challenge. There were delays in the verification of the product to dispatch because the process was done manual, causing delay in the delivery of orders to customers. The business wasn't reached the amount of scheduled shipment. Since there wasn't a tool to evaluate if the quantity and the product delivered was correct. Personnel from the area didn't know how to use the warehouse management system. The cost of employees' training is high but necessary to correct this information system use. The resistance to change is the main challenge that has the company to achieve the successful implementation of the software.
Management. The company should expand the range of transportation service within the importing, exporting, and shipping in the industry market, and monitor service level and cost. The technology the company uses is GPS, warehouse management systems, and transportation management system.
I'm going to talk about information system types. GPS. What is GPS? The Global Positioning System (GPS) is a satellite-based navigation system made up of a network of 24 satellites placed into orbit by the U.S. Department of Defense. GPS was originally intended for military applications. How it works. GPS satellites circle the Earth twice a day in a very precise orbit and transmit signal information to Earth. GPS receiver take this information and use triangulation and calculate the Earthsat location. Essentially, the GPS receiver compares the time a signal was transmitted by a satellite with the time it was received. About WMS. What is WMS? Warehouse management refers to the monitoring, control, and optimization of complex warehouse and distribution systems. How it works. The majority of WMS users want to customize version of standard WMS, which means that the standard WMS provides all the functionality they need for a specific business process without them having to pay for a costly custom solutions. About TMS. What is TMS? It's a transportation management system is a subset of supply chain management concerning transportation operations and may be part of the enterprise resource planning systems. How it works. Transportation management system manages 4 key processes on transportation management. Number 1, planning and decision making. Number 2, transportation execution. Number 3, transport follow-up. And 4, measurement.
With a well execution of this system, the company achieves inventory reductions. When a TMS gives you confidence that your customers are receiving their shipments on time, it allows you to make a better plan for inventory on hand. Inventory paperwork reduction. An implementation of a real-time WMS can significantly reduce the paperwork traditionally associated with the warehouse operations, as well as ensure timely and accurate flow of inventory and information. Receiving reports, pick tickets, move tickets, packing lists, etc., which are typically maintained as hard copies, now can all be maintained electronically. Warehouse efficiency. If your TMS integrated into systems such as your ERP, the days entry error decrease, providing less time spent on data entry or correcting mistakes caused by entry error. more efficient use of available warehouse space. In addition to reducing safety stock requirements, a WMS can often increase available warehouse space by more efficiently locating items in relation to receiving, assembly, packing, and shipping points. This increased efficiency can both improve productivity and lower inventory holding costs significantly.